Wakutwarithania mabaro nyarerete kĩrĩa kũnyita mbaru mũtumia wĩtagwo Martha Karua na akiuga ũcio nĩwe megũtwarana nake. Na niĩ ngĩmenya hau gũtwagĩa na mũndũ ũkũgitĩra rũrĩrĩ rwitũ na agitĩra indo citũ na agĩtigĩre maica maitũ. Nĩtũraiguithania? Nĩtũraiguithania? Nyoniai naguo gũkaga tũraiguithania.
Munini wa President William Ruto erite ahũranĩri a iturwa ciothe maiharĩrie gũgetĩkĩra maumĩrĩra ma gĩthurano. Ruto augĩte arĩ na mwĩhoko gũkaiũkia ũhotani ũrĩa augĩte atĩ nĩ akaũhũthĩra gũtigĩrĩra aikari a mwena wa Trans Nzoia nĩ magĩa na taitũ cia mĩgũnda yao.
Tumekuja hapa kwa unyenyekevu kuomba kura yenu, na mimi nataka niseme nikiwa hapa Trans Nzoia, tunataka uchaguzi wa amani. Hatutaki vurugu, hatutaki fujo, hatutaki matusi. Tunataka uchaguzi wa amani kwa sababu sisi tunaamini kwa mambo ya demokrasia. Uchaguzi wa amani kwa sababu sisi tunaamini kwa mambo ya demokrasia. Mtu yeyote ambaye anataka kurusha mambo ya vurugu, tumkatae, tumuangushe kwa kura.
Ninyi watu ya Trans Nzoia, kutoka leo msikuwe na tofauti yoyote kati ya Waluya na Wakale. Msikuwe na hiyo, itaharibu kura yetu. We are convincing you to come out and vote. Ile kitu tunataka ni kila mmoja wenu kutoka apige kura.
Tuache madarau kidogo. Bariki mwenzako na mpigie makofi. Siku yako inakuja, uende ukasimame hiyo kiti.
Tutakuwa na waziri wetu wa vijana wa kushughulikia maneno yetu ya vijana. Na unajua vijana wakipata makazi, wapate pesa ya biashara, wazazi wanatumia nyumbani wakiwa sawa.
Riboti ĩngĩ nĩ atĩ komishoni ya ithurano na mĩhaka nĩ ĩhetũkĩtie karũngo wa Thang'wa gũkahũranĩra gĩturwa gĩa seneta wa kaunti ya Kiambu na tigiti wa kĩama kĩa UDA. Karũngo ahetũkĩtio thutha wa igoti gũteanĩria mũrũgamo wa nahau kabere wa kũrega kũhetũkio nĩ IEBC tondũ ACC wa rũhonge rwa andũ ethĩ thirikari-inĩ ya kaunti ya Kiambu nĩ ahagũrĩtwo.
Nĩ twahetũkio mũthĩ gũtarĩ kũrĩa marĩgu tondũ igoti nĩ rĩratuire na rĩrauga nĩ njagĩrĩirwo gũkorwo ndĩ ballot-inĩ. Tucokerie igoti ngatho nĩ ũndũ wa kũrora kĩhoto na kũrega gũthikĩrĩria arĩa marendaga gũtweheria thĩinĩ wa ballot. Na acio marageragia gũtweheria na gũtũrehera macira maingĩ, ithuĩ tũraiga nĩ twamohera. Na twamohera nĩgetha tũmonie atĩ andũ a Kiambu nĩ metĩkĩrĩte gwĩcagũrĩra seneta wao. Na tondũ nĩ maheo kanya gaka, niĩ nĩ njĩtĩkĩtie nĩ tũkũhotana. Njokeria IEBC ngatho tondũ nĩ arũmĩrĩra watho wa igoti. Njokerie mũtongoria wa kĩama gitũ kĩa UDA ngatho William Samoei Ruto na munini wake Rigathi Gachagua tondũ na thutha wa andũ amwe kuga cenjia nĩ tũkũrĩrwo, o maugire matigũcenjia, nĩ mekũhe kanya ndũĩrĩre kĩhoto gĩakwa nginya mũthia.
Igoti nĩrĩteanĩirie cira wa kwenda seneta wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ehere gĩthurano-inĩ kĩa gavana kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi. Cira ũcio wahandĩtwo gĩtuĩka atĩ Sakaja ndakinyanĩirie ikĩro cia gĩthomo iria ciĩtĩkĩrĩkanĩte nĩ katiba nĩgetha mũndũ ahũranĩre gĩturwa gĩkĩ kĩa ũgavana. Mũcirithania wa igoti nene nĩwe Anthony Mrima augĩte gũtirĩ na wĩra mũiganu wa kuonania degree ya Sakaja nĩ ya mathara. Riboti ĩngĩ nĩ atĩ atongoria arĩa marahũranĩra iturwa itiganĩte na kĩama kĩa Usawa kwa Wote kĩrĩa gĩtongoragio nĩ gavana Mwangi wa Iria morĩtie aikia a kura matikahĩngĩcithanie matua mao gĩthurano-inĩ twerekeire nĩ ũndũ wa mĩrũgamo ya kĩũteti. Atongoria maugĩte atĩ andũ aingĩ arĩa mena wendi na ũhoti wa gũtungatĩra mũingĩ na njĩra ĩgwete morĩire ciama-inĩ iria nini nĩ tondũ wa gũkorwo matiraiganĩra marĩ ciama-inĩ iria irĩ nene.
As the candidates of Usawa, we have many MPs, many MCAs, and we are working together so that we can secure as many seats as possible.
We are the foot soldiers of Usawa kwa Wote party, and we are very strong, very formidable, and very united. And we are telling our opponent, Muranga, it's Usawa to go.
And we are hoping we are going to get a good number of the seats within the national parliament, even with the county governments, and we are prepared for that.
So we are on the ground and we are going to clean all these seats because Usawa Party is a party that deals with household empowerment. Household empowerment is Usawa Party's manifesto.
And I know by the time we get to election, you will feel our presence on the ground so that we prove to those who are saying Usawa is not there that we are there and we are moving forward.
Muthikafu munene wa kanitha wa ACK Jackson Ole Sapit augete ungumania utunyaga Kenya mweke wa gukura andu aingi kuma mururumo-ini na mukuru-ini wa ukia guku bururi-ini agitongoria mambura ma gukongerera muthenya wa kurwa na ungumania gituri-ini kia Africa. Sapit anyitiriire atiriri bururi urorete githurano-ini kinene bara ya ungumania ikwambiririo ni a Kenya na njira ya guthura atongoria aria mahingitie ikiro cia gicunji gia gatandatu gia katiba hatari na ucuke.
It is important for all of us to elect leaders of integrity. When you elect leaders of integrity, you deal with issues of service delivery, you deal with issues of inefficiencies, you deal with issues of bribery.
Vote leaders without considering inclinations of ethnicity, favors, and sensational propaganda. Are we able to shun voter bribery and elect leaders based on their character traits? I believe we can if we put our individual integrity first. If we become individuals of integrity, certainly we shall elect people of integrity and do not fear or compromise transparency and accountability.
If we have laws that will ensure that access and control of resources is out of the hands of one individual or a group of individuals, but will be anchored on law, that no part of Kenya is going to be left behind, we shall have a beautiful country. Let us elect leaders who are not warmongers, who will not incite, who will not mobilize according to tribal lines, who will not show us the way of violence as a means to assess power, but by articulating a vision and are driven by vision, and let us judge them from the vision they present.
Ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance ni yambiriirie thabari ya kumatha kura gitaro-ini gia gicua-ini kwa hindi ri tukamenyithia mutongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga na mutirithia wake Martha Karua mari mwena wa Taita Taveta tuthie imwe kwa imwe tondu ni hindi Raila Odinga araraniria na aikari.
Sisi tumeahidi ya kwamba pesa ambayo inatoka Nairobi na kuja katika county tutazidisha kutoka 15% hadi 35%. Inaonyesha kwamba pesa mingi itatoka kule juu na kuja hapa chini mashinani. Na mkichagua serikali mzuri hapa chini, watafanya nyinyi kazi sawa sawa. Kwa upande wa ujenzi ya vituo vya matibabu, kwa upande ya barabara, kwa upande ya shule na kadhalika. Umeelewana vizuri hapo? Sasa sisi tutaongeza pesa na kuja hapa chini mashinani. Alafu kwa upande ya ugonjwa, tunaleta mpango mpya unaitwa Baba Care. Semeni Baba Care. Baba Care. Baba Care. Baba Care. Baba Care itahakikisha kwamba vituo vya matibabu zimejengwa karibu na pale wananchi wanaishi, ili watu wasiwe wanatembea kilomita mingi sana. Unakuta saa ingine mama mjamzito anapata shida, hata nyingine anakufa akipelekwa kwa hospitali. Karibu pale na ndani yake kutakuwa na vifaa vya kutibu watu, dawa, daktari, manasi ndani yake. Pili, tumesema tunaleta mpango ya bima ya matibabu. Wakenya National Health Insurance Scheme. Wakenya wote, watoto, vijana, kina mama na wazee watakuwa chini ya bima ya matibabu. Ili kama wako wagonjwa wanapata matibabu hata kama hawana pesa. Unaona vizuri? Muunga mkono. Kuna wale jamii maskini ambaye hakuna hata mtu mmoja hakuna mapato yoyote, mtu ambaye hakuna mshahara yoyote, wanahangaika kabisa, watoto wanalala na njaa. Hatutaki kuona kama mtoto yoyote katika taifa letu analala na njaa.
Thĩinĩ wa mohoro maitũ ma Inooro hwaĩ-inĩ ona Inooro thaa ithatũ tũgũkorwo tũgĩkũmenyithia ciĩgiĩ thabarĩ ĩno ya kũmatha kura mwena wa gĩcũa-inĩ. Hau nĩho tũgwĩkĩra gaturumo matemo maitũ mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Tũcemanie nawe rĩngĩ ona ciĩhanda thaa 1 cia hwaĩ-inĩ. Niĩ njĩtagwo Windrose Wangũi.
Wazazi, watoi na maithu wetu. Don't be fooled. Get cyber smart and enjoy safe entertainment and education online.
The Communications Authority of Kenya. Mawasiliano kwetu, nguvu kwako.
Here the culture is barefoot. If you want to work here, you barefoot. If you don't want to barefoot, you can't be part of us. That's the culture. But if you go out of here, it's your choice. The earth has what is called an electrical pulse. This electrical pulse is what our body sinks into. And when our body sinks into this, we are able to optimize health and wellness.
To watch this story and more, download the Citizen Digital app today.
Kenya's #1 app, Citizen Digital.
Ni wega angikorwo ciana icio ni nena nene, ni wega gwitikira inyue muratigana, you come into term ya kindu tureta